Hello, I'm Richard Weston, the Business Development Manager for all applications in both automotive and emerging industries. SMC are not only about pneumatic components, we have many other new applications being launched all the time. This is why there is so much more to SMC than the standard products you're probably familiar with. To that end, let me broaden your knowledge about some of the other exciting components that we can provide to you as our valued customer. Motion in your power with SMC's electric actuators. You can perform any movement, aligning or pick and place components. Simple positioning, even rotating grippers are available. They can be used anywhere, including clean rooms, dust tight and water jet proof, and more importantly, secondary battery compatible. Combine your motorless actuator with your preferred motor. Improve your factory through our Industry 4.0 friendly systems. Using SMC's remote parameterization and diagnostics, which are suitable for contouring applications such as glue dispensing or milling. Our electric components are suitable for vision systems and remote online position corrections. Motion in your power with SMC's electric actuators. You can perform any movement, anywhere, in any way you want, with control as it suits you best. Why not smart up your factory? This is again only a small selection of the solutions that SMC have to support your production and machine building problems. Realise the benefits of SMC's electric applications. You can maximise the benefits of working with SMC and our design support teams to overcome any problems. SMC's electric actuators can adapt to the specifics of any application. Put motion in your power. Contact me directly to find out more. Follow us on LinkedIn